Welcome back to Speed, the home of pure performance and extreme machines. Today, we're diving into one of the most aggressive superbikes ever built, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100. This Italian masterpiece is powered by a 1099cc V4 engine that delivers brutal acceleration and an unforgettable exhaust note. Twist the throttle, and the RSV4 rockets forward with authority, pushing past 300 kilometers per hour when unleashed. This isn't just speed, this is race-bred performance refined for the road. Despite its insane power, the RSV4 Factory remains incredibly precise. The lightweight aluminum chassis, advanced aerodynamics, and factory-level tuning give riders unmatched confidence in corners and at high speed. Every input feels sharp, controlled, and connected to the road. Electronics are where Aprilia truly dominates. The bike features multiple ride modes: traction control, wheelie control, launch control, slide control, cornering ABS, and a quickshifter, all managed through a crisp TFT display. These systems allow riders to push limits while staying in control. Mileage is performance-focused, delivering around 12 to 14 kilometers per liter, which is expected for a liter-class superbike of this caliber. Now, let's talk price. The expected price in the USA is around $26,000 to $27,000. In Europe, between €25,000 and €27,000. If you want a machine that feels straight out of MotoGP, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 is built to dominate. That's it for today's review. If you loved this quick breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Speed for more two-wheeled action.